Guys, so it seemed like this problem gave us a little bit of a struggle last week. So I wanted to do just a quick little video to describe how to do this problem and then have you answer some questions based on that. So let's look at letter A. Now the problem tells us that these graphs show the relationship between distance from a ride and time elapsed for two people. Each person walks at a steady rate directly towards or away from the ride or stand still. So the y-axis is representing for us, the distance from the ride. Okay. So when they're down here at 0, 0, they are right now at the ride. They're 0 feet or 0 meters or 0 miles, whatever the distance is measured in here from the ride. So if I'm going to look at these two people, person A and person B, I might ask, who is starting further away? A has a greater distance at the beginning, so A is starting further away. Who gets there first? Well, let's look. As time elapses, who is getting there first? A is getting there first. Look, B, we don't know if B is ever going to get there because B's graph never touches the line. So B's distance from the ride is never 0. And because of this, we can say that A is walking faster. There's a couple ways we can test that. A gets there in a shorter time. A's graph is steeper. So for those two reasons, we can see that A is going faster. So you're going to take this short little FA answering a few questions for two of these graphs. Another question that I got this week and we didn't answer as a full group was the significance of the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And the intercept is where it touches either the x or y axis. So if I look at my x-intercept here, the x-intercept is where this graph touches the x-axis. So what does the x-intercept tell me? It tells me what time person A got to the ride. Now the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. And what does that tell me? That tells me how far away each person was at the beginning of this question or of this problem. So I hope that helps you out. Go ahead and answer the questions below and have a great day.